This area right here is the frontal lobe. You can see that there's no dura mater on the brain, but the only layer left is the pia mater. The frontal lobe usually controls speech and your emotions. This is the parietal lobe right here. That is the section of the brain that is like your main sensory area. So it's gonna receive the sensations for pain, touch, tickle, and temperature. You've got your temporal lobes right here, and that would be the visual area where your vision is located, along with the occipital lobe. The occipital lobe also has the auditory areas. You've got the cerebellum right here, which is called the little brain. The cerebellum coordinates skilled motor movement. So if you trip over something or you're walking over uneven ground, it's going to correct that. Right here we've got the medulla oblongata, and then we've got the pons right here. You've got the vermis of the cerebellum, like the space between the cerebellum and the cerebrum. Just kind of keeping on this area of the brain, we're going to look at the pineal body, which is right in here, right there. The pineal body is responsible for controlling sleep and wake cycles, as releasing melatonin, thought to control our circadian rhythm. We've got the superior colliculi right here, and then you've got the inferior colliculi. I'm just going to flip this over and talk a little bit about the nerves that we can see here. The optic nerves comes in here. That's where it's coming in from the eyeball. This is the optic chiasm, which crosses from left to right brain. And then you've got the optic tract here that goes to the optic area of the brain and relays the messages back there. We've got the cerebral peduncles right here, the mammillary body right here, the pons, and then the abducens nerve is right in here, this one, and then the transgeminal nerve is right here. Inside the brain, we've got the pineal body right here. We've got the thalamus, which relays messages for sensory and motor fibers. We've got the lateral ventricles here, which contain cerebrospinal fluid. You've also got the corpus callosum, which is this it connects the right brain and left brain. You've got the cerebellum back here again with the arbor vitae, which is those white tree-like branches. We've got the medulla oblongata, the pons down here, and then the spinal cord